Today we're going to travel through our solar system, so sit back, buckle up, and let's take off. First, we are going to make a pit stop at the sun. Everybody put your sunglasses on. The sun is the center of our solar system. The temperature on the surface of the sun is 5,500 degrees Celsius. It takes 8 minutes from the light of the sun to get to the Earth. The sun is also very big. 1 million Earths could fit inside of the sun. That's big! Now that we have learned some facts about the sun, let's hop back in and head to the planet that is closest to sun, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. The surface temperature of Mercury can be anywhere from negative 173 to 427 degrees Celsius because Mercury has no atmosphere. A year in Mercury is only 88 days long. Next on our list is Venus. Venus is very similar to Earth. They are almost exactly the same size. The surface temperature on Venus is 462 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. 1 day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth because it rotates very slowly. Now let's move on to the planet we know best, Earth. Earth's surface temperature is negative 58 degrees to 88 degrees Celsius. Earth is the densest planet in our solar system. It is also the only known planet that actually has and can hold life. The Earth has one moon, which is known as its satellite. Since we live on Earth, we already know a bunch about it. So let's move on to our next planet, Mars. Mars is also commonly known as the red planet. Mars has a surface temperature of negative 87 degrees to negative 5 degrees Celsius. It also has the largest mountain in our solar system. The mountain is called Olympus Mons, and it is a shield volcano. Mars also has 2 moons. Its atmosphere is made up mainly of carbon dioxide. Mars has only 18 successful missions, so let's just keep moving and head on to Jupiter. Jupiter is famously known for its huge red spot. The red spot is actually a giant storm on Jupiter. This storm is so large that it could fit 3 Earths inside of it. Jupiter is made up of mainly gases, so it is called a gas giant. Jupiter's surface temperature is negative 108 degrees Celsius. It also has 67 moons. Jupiter has the shortest day of all the planets. Next on our list of planets to tour is Saturn. Saturn is known for its beautiful ring system. Saturn is the farthest planet that can be seen by the naked eye. It has a surface temperature of negative 139 degrees Celsius. Saturn is also the flattest planet in our solar system. Saturn is made up mostly of hydrogen. We have only 2 more planets to go, so let's visit Uranus. Uranus was the first planet that was discovered with a telescope. It is the only planet that is tipped on its side. The surface temperature is negative 197 degrees Celsius, making Uranus the coldest planet. Man, that is cold! Uranus also has rings, but they aren't as visible as Saturn's. These rings are thick, also aren't as many rings as Saturn. Uranus is great, but now it's time to move on to the last planet in our solar system. This here is Neptune. Neptune has 13 confirmed moons. Neptune also has 6 rings. Its atmosphere is made up mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Neptune is also famous for its great dark spot. Like Jupiter's spot, it is also a storm. Neptune is also a very windy planet. It is the windiest planet in our solar system. Neptune is also the smallest gas giant. Well, that's it for traveling through our solar system. So hold on tight because we are heading back to where we belong, Earth. Thanks for traveling with me.